Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. AERB guidelines. This is for the personal protection. So AERB guidelines for the personal protection, first will be the AERB. So AERB, it includes the atomic energy regulatory. So atomic energy regulatory board. So atomic regulatory energy regulatory board, and which controls and regulates the radiation in India. So it regulates the radiation in case of India, and the minimum thickness of the lead aprons and the gloves. So the minimum thickness of the lid aprons and the gloves. So this will include 0.25. So they are the minimum thickness of the lead aprons and the gloves is 0.25 mm. Next comes the gonadal shield. So gonadal. So in case of the gonadal shield, it should be 0.5 mm. So in case of minimal thickness for the lead aprons and the gloves is 0.25. The gonadal shield will be 0.5 mm. Then the international guidelines, the minimum thickness is 0.5 mm. Then, but the most common used in India is again 0.5 mm. The protective barrier in the X-ray room, the protective barrier in case of the X-ray room. So this is, I should have a minimum lead equivalent of 1.5. So minimum lead equivalent, this should be nothing but 1.5 mm. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.